Today, it's another one-pot meal, tomato rice. Welcome to SBL Kitchen, me Mukta Nagaraj. For tomato rice, first is to switch on the hob, then goes the main ingredient, oil into the pan. And little butter. Here you can use clarified butter, that's ghee. When the butter melts, I'm going to add in the whole Garam Masala. Here, if you don't have the whole Garam Masala, in the end you can add the ready Garam Masala powder, but not now, in the end. So with that, I'm going to add some Fennel Seeds. I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Today I'm using all the ingredients which I bought it from the store. Green chillies. Now goes in onions. When the onions are little translucent, then I'm going to add in the corn. Here I'm using the frozen corn. You can use fresh corn, peas, double beans, any of these ingredients according to the availability or the taste. I'm going to add in little bit of turmeric. Now you can add in the mint leaves. If you don't have mint leaves, it's fine. Even if you have the dehydrated ones, you can use them. I'm using the tomato puree, store-bought one. And the coconut milk, the store-bought one. Now I'm going to add in a cup of water. Now I'm going to add the spice, chilli powder. Since I have used the green chilli powder, I'm going to add very little bit of the red chilli powder. This can be according to your taste. And here, since it is a store-bought puree, you can add the salt to the taste. Definitely there will be salt in that, so be watchful while adding salt. This has started boiling. I'm going to add in the washed rice. At this stage, if you have not added the whole Garam Masala, you can add a teaspoon or a half teaspoon of Garam Masala here. It's boiling. I shall close the lid and put the weight and allow it for one whistle. If you don't have a pressure cooker and still you can do it, you can do till this in any pan and shift this to the rice cooker and allow it to cook. It is equally good as that. I'll switch off the cooker, allow it to cool completely. By then the rice would be ready to eat. Now the cooker is cool by itself. As I said, a fork would do the work of separating the rice. Keep watching SBL Kitchen for more one-pot recipes. The rice is ready. I can serve this. The tomato rice is ready. You can have it with curd, or you can even make some raita.